Okay students, welcome back to the lecture series of PHP. This is the last chapter of your PHP lecture series, chapter number 7, that is MySQL database overview. It is a small chapter. The table content is PHP MyAdmin overview using a MySQL database, reading and writing data. So what is PHP MyAdmin? PHP MyAdmin is an open source software tool introduced on September 9, 1998, which is written in PHP. Basically, it is a third-party tool to manage the tables and data inside the database. PHP MyAdmin supports various types of operation on MariaDB and MySQL. The main purpose of PHP MyAdmin is to handle the administration of MySQL over the web. So basically students, in this chapter we are talking about the database overview in PHP, how the database is created and how to access the database. This chapter is all about database. So the first thing is PHP MyAdmin. Okay, PHP has its own database named as MyAdmin. It was introduced in September 9, 1998, which is an open source software tool which is written in PHP. Basically, it is a third-party tool to manage the tables and data inside the database. So basically, students, we can create tables and data inside the database. It is the most popular application for MySQL database management. We can create, update, drop, alter, delete, import and export MySQL database table by using this software. PHP MyAdmin also supports a wide range of operations like managing database, relations, tables, columns, index, permission and users, etc. on your MySQL and MariaDB. This operation can be performed via user interface while we still have the ability to execute any SQL statement. So students, by using this PHP MyAdmin, we can create the database, we can do the operations like basically create, update, we can delete, we can import, we can export your MySQL database table. PHP MyAdmin is translated into 72 languages and also supports both RTL and LTR languages, so that the wide range of people can easily use this software. We can run MySQL queries, repair, optimize, check table and also execute other database management commands. PHP MyAdmin can also be used to perform administrative tasks such as database creation and query execution. PHP MyAdmin is a graphical user interface based application which is used to manage MySQL database. We can manually create database and table and execute the query on them. It provides a web based interface and can run on any server. Since it is web based, so we can access it from any computer. So student, basically your PHP MyAdmin is in 72 languages which support both RTL and LTR languages. Again, we can run, repair, optimize, check table and also execute other database management command. We can create database and we can execute query also. The major advantage of PHP MyAdmin is that it is graphical user interface where user can click, he can select, he can delete by using GUI of PHP MyAdmin. Features of PHP MyAdmin. PHP MyAdmin supports several features that are given below. PHP MyAdmin can create, alter, browse and drop database, view table, column and indexes. It can display multiple results, sets through queries and stored procedure. PHP MyAdmin use stored procedure and queries to display multiple result sets. It supports foreign key and InnoDB tables. PHP can track the changes done on database, views and tables. We can also create PDF graphic of our database layout. PHP can also be exported into various formats such as XML, CSV, PDF, ISO, IEC 26300, Open Document Text and Spreadsheet. It also supports MySQLi, which is to improve MySQL extension. PHP can interact with 80 different languages. PHP can edit, execute and bookmark any SQL statements and even batch queries. By using a set of predefined functions, it can perform stored data into any format. For example, vlob data as image or downloaded link. It provides the facility to back up the database into different forms. Now, what are the advantages of PHP MyAdmin? PHP MyAdmin can run on any server or any operating system as it has a web browser. We can easily create, delete and edit the database and can manage all elements using the graphical interface of PHP MyAdmin, which is much easier than MySQL command line editor. PHP MyAdmin helps us to control the user permission and operate several servers at a time. We can also back up our database and export the data into different formats like XML, CSV, SQL, PDF, Open Document Text, Excel, Word and Spreadsheet, etc. We can execute complex SQL statements and queries, create and edit functions, triggers and events using the graphical interface of PHP MyAdmin. Student, this is a simple example where we can create a database. In this example, we have to take certain variables like $server name equal to localhost, $username equal to root, password will be blank, $password will be blank, $connection equal to MySQLi underscore connect, in which we are passing variable that is $server name, $username, $password. We are using if condition. If your condition is getting satisfied, okay, it will not connect to the server. If it is going in correct way, it will be connected to your database. Make sure that you execute this example in your practical lab. This is a database program that is used to connectivity with PHP MyAdmin. Again, in this we have taken the database host as localhost, database name equal to new database, user is root, password is blank. Again, we are passing the query in your $connection and we are using the function that is of try and catch. Okay, so basically students, this example will create your database. After creating database successfully, after creating database, you have to add the data in your database. Okay, so student, this is the end of chapter number 7. A quick recap what we did in chapter number 7, the last chapter of PHP, that is PHP MyAdmin. We have seen history of PHP MyAdmin. We have seen features of MyAdmin, PHP MyAdmin. Again, we have seen advantages of PHP MyAdmin. We have seen the code, how to create your database creation, how to create your database with your manual code of PHP. Okay, so this is end of chapter number 7. Thank you.